What an idiot.
Oh no, baby, what is you doing? No, this was not supposed to happen. We were gonna go film the waterfall thing. I really wanted to film it today. Then this kind of happened. Me and Nathan are trying to convince my dad to let us take the truck, and he's not letting us take it. Today's my last day of being 20, and I got snow for my birthday, and I don't like snow.
Washing the car!
Like he's getting changed in the background. So me and my brother, I think, can actually take the truck. Copyright. Monetize this. You don't monetize your videos. Okay, update. I have the thermal and then fleece lined sweatpants. Got puffer jacket, which is kind of waterproof, not really. This packed with my change of clothes. I'll see what's gonna happen. I'll see you in the gorge.
Sammy, look worried.
Checking on the dials. Co-pilot.
I'm actually worried
How's our
to
altitude?
be your co-pilot, but
Check this out. There's still cars here at Angel's Rest. Always crowded.
you can keep moving if you want. If it's like,
I thought you were gonna try.
It's on, but I need Bethany to zip it up. A lot of people here hiking around. I don't want them to freak out.
How do you feel about your sister?
she's kind of stupid. Kind of jealous that she did it, cause like now.
Your sister is cooler than you, but your brain cells pat themselves on the back anyways. What an idiot.
Dude, when you fell, I saw people laugh behind me.
What in the world?
It actually felt good. It felt like when you go in the ocean and it's really freezing, but it feels kind of good.
Are you proud of her, Sam?
Huh? Is that waterproof? She should take that.
Got me swimming?
Yeah, I saw you fall. Are you proud of her?
No!
Wait, opposite is possible because my heart's like gonna.
Go to the car, go to the car.
At 1 second, I thought my heart was gonna stop, and then after that, I was like, this is kind of nice, and it felt good. Like, I felt like I couldn't really breathe, but it was kind of nice. Once I become a legal adult, can mom and dad kill me? Dad's gonna see this video. My hair was already damp because I took a shower last night, so my hair was damp when I went in. Yeah.
Why, she not transparent?
A gravestone.
Death by
Current. Death by current.
Alright. You can get in.
You make me cold. We're turning 18 tomorrow?
I'm turning 21.
No, she's turning 16. Oh.
Despite my family not knowing how old I was turning and discovering the fundamental difference between a dry suit and a wet suit, today was a day to remember. And I'm thankful nothing did happen since my brother said he didn't want to rescue me. And today was really good. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you all the best today. I would do anything for you guys. I love you guys. Subscribe. You can see all the crap by We came, we saw, we loved.
Did you love that?
Yeah. But actually do it again.
Oh, I guess. Okay.
Yeah. It goes all the way to her butt. It's not recording. Oh, there you go.
Just stop. Avalanche!
Is it still recording?
Yeah, but it's blurry now.
That light. That highlight though.
No, it actually went really well. I thought she was going to be really cold and like struggling, and I was like, I really don't want to go in there to get her out.
Yeah.